Now we will go through some of the examples using properties of Z transform. I'll take up the example x of n is equal to u of n plus 2. We need to find x of z using properties of Z transform. Okay, so you know that one of the properties states that Z transform of x of Z transform of x of n minus n naught, which tells which is equal to z to the power minus n naught x of z. This is one of the property which tells that x of n minus n naught is z to the power minus n naught x of z. Similarly, Z transform of u of n plus 2 is equal to z to the power minus this was x of n minus n naught. So if you try to represent in the similar fashion, n minus of minus 2, am I right? So n minus of minus 2, so z to the power minus, what is n naught? Minus 2, so minus 2 x of z. So what it gives me? Z square x of z. And what is x of z? X of z is Z transform, Z transform of x of n. X of n, when you take out, when you take out the property of this, that is, it becomes Z transform of u of n. So which gives you z square. Z transform of u of n is z divided by z minus 1. So hope you have got it. So what I have done is Z transform of u of n plus 2 was about to, we needed to find. So we know that according to property, time shift property, Z transform of x of n minus n naught is z to the power minus n naught x of z. This x of z is, when you take out this x of n naught, shift, time shift, when you take it, it will be Z transform of only x of n. So and hence similarly for u of n plus 2, when you take out time shift this 2, it remains Z transform of u of n. So Z transform of u of n is z divided by z minus 1. So you can solve it. How did you get this z divided by z minus 1? Z transform of u of n, which gives you summation n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity here. If you want, I will solve it. Z transform of u of n, which is summation n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, u of n z to the power minus n, right, which is u of n is n equal to 0 to infinity 1 z to minus 1 to the power n, which is summation n equal to 0 to infinity z inverse to the power n, which is a to the power n formula. 1 divided by 1 minus z inverse, or what it is, z divided by z minus 1. Like this we need to solve it. So which I have written it this. So Z transform of u of n plus 2, Z transform of u of n plus 2. Without using equation for this, what I am trying to use, properties. One of the property I am using. So next one. Next example. X of n. You have been asked to find the Z transform of x of n, which is equal to u of minus n using property of Z transform. So what is it? Z transform of x of minus n is x of 1 by z. Am I right? So Z transform of u of minus n, Z transform of u of minus n is wherever z you have to replace that by 1 by z. So if you want to know what is Z transform of u of minus n, you should know what is Z transform of u of n, so that in that equation replace that by 1 by z. So what this x of 1 by z is telling? It is telling that in x of z replace z by 1 by z. That's it. Okay, so z transform of this is, okay, you know that z transform of u of n is z divided by z minus 1. Okay, z transform of u of n is z divided by z minus 1. In this z divided by z minus 1, replace z by 1 by z. 1 by z means what? Z inverse. So can I write it as z transform of u of minus n is z inverse divided by z inverse minus 1. Okay, so this is solving the example using properties of this. You can solve it, further simplify it, or keep it as it is, no issues. Okay, next example. Find the z transform of x of n is n into u of n. N into u of n. So now you come to know that what is this property? Okay, differentiation in z domain or multiplication, okay, by time factor, okay, which is, okay, one of the properties states that, okay, z transform of n into x of n is minus z d by dz x of z. Am I right? So n into x of n is, okay, multiplication by time or differentiation z domain, we call this property as. So what that property states was z transform of n into x of n, okay, is minus z d by dz x of z. Okay, so z transform of n into u of n is minus z d by dz. What is x of z? X of z is z transform of x of n. What is x of n? U of n. Z divided by z minus 1. Okay, now we have to solve this equation. Minus z d by dz. Differentiate z divided by z minus 1. So I will try to write once again. Z transform of n into u of n is minus z d by dz, okay, z divided by z minus 1. So minus z, this is u by v, differentiation by u by v method. So what is that? Z minus 1, okay, u by v tells that, okay, v into du minus u into dv divided by v square. Okay, your differentiation u by v method. Okay, z minus 1 as it is. Okay, v, this is my v, so keep it as it is. Du, differentiate u, so differentiate z with respect to z, that is d by dz of z is 1, minus u, you keep it as it is z, dv, differentiate this, differentiation of again z minus 1 with respect to z is 1, okay, divided by v square, z minus 1 square, which is gives you minus z, okay, z minus 1 into 1, z minus 1 into 1, z minus 1 minus z into 1, minus z divided by z minus 1 square, okay, which is, okay, z minus z cancels, okay, minus z into minus 1, minus z into minus 1 divided by z minus 1 square, which is z divided by z minus 1 square. Okay, so like this we try to solve the examples without using the differentiation, defining equation for z transform. Okay, I am trying to solve without the defining equation of z transform. Okay, so one more example I will try to take. X of n is, okay, x of n is n into a to the power n u of n. So like this I am trying to solve some of the examples here. Try to download the question papers and solve them. Okay, if there is any difficulty you can communicate to me. X of n is n into a to the power n u of n. Okay, again there are three terms now, n, okay, a to the power n u of n and only of u of n. But since there is a to the power n u of n, you know it, what is z transform of that? You need to find z transform of a to the power n u of n. What is it? Z divided by z minus a. Am I right? And now z transform of n into a to the power n u of n, which is minus z d by dz of z divided by z minus a. Okay, which is okay minus z, and solve similarly the equation, okay, where you will get a divided by okay z minus a square. Okay, so finally you have okay this, you get minus a divided by z minus a square. Differentiate, okay, similar to previous example. So you get az divided by z minus a square. Okay, this is another example where you need to find z transform using okay the properties of z transform.